This glass container has had foam inserted into the centre with a liner of green foil, and then the moss has been extended beyond that so that you can't see the foil, but the moss has a protection against the glass. Here you've got a leaf that has been arched, wire through the backbone, and you then twist around to fasten, but do make sure that the leaves or the base of the leaf is inserted into the foam, not just the wire, so that the leaf is obtaining the moisture. This design has so much visual weight at the base, it will support the size and dominance of the open agapanthus at the top of the design. It's used green bamboo, which is in a layering section, giving an interesting counterbalance to the strength and form of the agapanthus. Goldenrod is being placed through the textures of the aralia leaves, the moss, all the different textures at the base. It's also interesting to have foliages which are shiny, which is the process we're working on now, and also a comparison to others that are matte. Sometimes you can use a slight colour, which gives another influence on the leaves. So you can just see that slight colour sitting there with the leaf shine. And here's another addition where you can give a slightly different surface area onto your foliages. The glass base gives an interesting texture. It is visible. The moss inside it is also great for this design. And look at the dominance of the white agapanthus at the base, and the eye is led from that to the agapanthus above, and then the stability of that bamboo stepping all the way down right to the base. This gives the height to the design.